I just turned this 457-page document into McKinsey slide deck, and AI did 99% of the work. Right now, most professionals waste 20 hours a month acting like bricklayers, manually preparing and formatting slides. I drive AI strategy and automation at Amazon, and I can tell you the top 1% stopped manually preparing decks months ago. Instead, they use techniques which I have combined into the 4-step architect method. The method is simple. First, we'll teach Claude to write McKinsey-style outlines from your raw documents. Second, Claude writes the actual code to generate the slide deck. Third, we apply your branding and color scheme to add a final polish. And fourth, we will create a custom AI specialist to repeat this entire process on autopilot in the future so you can generate decks by just giving one command. And as a bonus, I'll show you how to instantly translate your decks into high quality LinkedIn carousels to grow your online presence without any extra work. I've packaged the exact prompts I used in this video and the reusable skill which can generate slide decks automatically into an executive AI text cheat sheet, which you can download from the link in the description. Step 1 of the architect method is simple. You separate the thinking from the slides. If you open PowerPoint before your argument or outline is clear, no amount of formatting will save it. So we have to build the skeleton first. I have the Stanford AI Index report for 2025. It is 457 pages long and packed with incredibly dense data on compute costs, global investments, and technical benchmarks. I'm going to open Claude and upload this entire document. And because Claude now has a massive 1 million token context window on the Pro plan, it can ingest all 447 pages without losing any detail. Next, I'm going to paste a custom prompt I made and hit enter. You can grab the exact copy-paste version of this prompt from the cheat sheet in the description. What this prompt does is force Claude to act like a McKinsey strategist. I've embedded 3 top-tier consulting frameworks into it. It uses the Messe framework to group the evidence logically without having any overlaps or gaps. It applies the Minto pyramid principle to put bottom line up front, and it regenerates what we call action titles. To show you the difference, I'm going to ask Claude to make an outline using a basic prompt and then with my optimized prompt, which uses all these techniques. Without the optimized prompt, we get slide titles like AI performance is accelerating or the investment landscape, the labels that describe the topic but don't tell you anything useful. With the optimized prompt, every title is a complete argument. For example, AI inference costs collapsed by 280x in 18 months. Or China is closing the performance gap to near parity. You could just read the titles alone and walk in ready to present. The whole idea of using these techniques is that unlike traditional method, which makes your audience just read, the other one makes them act. We force AI to build the skeleton first. Now, we've extracted the skeleton, but having a great outline usually means sacrificing the rest of your afternoon to actually build the slide deck. But we will do it without opening PowerPoint at all. And that's by using Claude to write the code which generates the presentation. I will paste the outline from the previous step and then my deck generation prompt and hit enter. What this prompt does is tell Claude to apply a strict vertical logic, which is every single bullet point must directly prove the action title above it. Then it instructs Claude to write the Python code to actually build the presentation file. And no, you don't need to touch the code or even look at it. Once Claude is finished, it gives us a downloadable file, which we can also look in Google Slides. Let's open it up and see what we've got. As a starting point, I can see all the bullet points directly support the action title. The vertical logic is clean, no filler slide, no placeholder text. But in terms of the visual layout, I would say it looks reasonable, it looks good, but the next step will take it a further notch up. Because it can be quite frustrating when AI gives you a great presentation, but it uses random fonts and generic colors that look nothing like your company's brand or your business's brand. It instantly screams amateur and you can't even use it because your customers or your co-workers will not recognize it. And to fix this, I'm going to paste my branding prompt. And generally you have 2 options here. Option 1, give Claude a simple plain text while listing your primary colors, fonts, and spacing rules. Or option 2, and that is the more powerful one, if you already have a presentation template you use at work, you can upload it directly and Claude will learn from the language, use the colors, and it will regenerate using that exact design. Now I'm going to give it the branding file for Harry Potter Fake Limited, which includes the color scheme the company follows in all of its communications. And within a few minutes, Claude generates the updated deck. Every slide now matches the brand colors, the fonts, the spacing, all native within Google Slides or PowerPoint, which are editable. And using this technique is the difference between a presentation that looks like it came from a random generic AI tool to the one that looks like it came from you. Now, the executive deck we just made is on brand and ready to be presented, but the biggest waste in corporate life isn't doing the work, it's doing the same work twice because we all have to make presentations again and again for different things. And every time you repeat a process, which you have already figured out, you're kind of paying a full set of costs for zero new value. And the next step eliminates that permanently. Think of using a Claude skill as training a new hire. You show them the process once and then they repeat it every time without you having to give instructions, except this hire never forgets, never calls in sick, and finishes generally in a few minutes. I asked Claude to use its own skill creator and package everything we just did, the McKinsey frameworks, the Python code instructions, and the branding rules into a permanent reusable skill. Again, if you want the prompt, you can get it from the cheat sheet in the description. In Claude, a skill is a saved set of instructions that lives inside your account. You create it once, and from that point on, you activate it with a single slash command instead of pasting 3 separate prompts. Claude packages the entire workflow into one reusable specialist, and from now on, I drag in any document and type slash executive deck, and Claude automatically loads the skill and runs the full workflow without me having to give any further instructions. And that's the difference between knowing a process and repeating it multiple times versus owning a process where you train someone else to do it and you just review it. We now have an AI specialist that builds executive decks on autopilot, but what if you could use this exact same system to automatically build your personal brand online without much extra effort? Most professionals are invisible online because they think content creation is too hard, but at the age of AI, your personal brand will land you more career and business opportunities than anything else. Most people start from a blank page when they have to post something on LinkedIn, and it tends to be generic. I'm going to paste my carousel generation prompt in the same chat, which includes a high conversion format for LinkedIn carousel posts. LinkedIn carousel posts are basically posts where you can also see documents and you can sort of scroll through them. What this prompt does is translate our presentation logic into a 1080 by 1350 pixel format, which is tailored for LinkedIn's professional audience and gives you the most screen real estate. Claude applies the instructions and generates a carousel PDF document. It has a hook slide, a rehook, individual start slides for each of the data points, for example, 280x cheaper or 78% adoption or the $252 billion in investment, and a TNDR summary, which I found quite useful, and an end call to action. So to recap, 10 slides, fully branded, ready to post on LinkedIn. It is the same Stanford report, which we converted into a boardroom deck, and now it became a LinkedIn carousel in under a minute. Now you might need to spend a few minutes tweaking things, but Claude does most of the heavy lifting. So the skill we generated earlier in the video to create decks, I took that and added more techniques which I've learned over the years and created a reusable skill which you can download and tailor it for your purposes or start using it immediately. And it's part of that cheat sheet I've linked in the description. You now have a complete branded presentation and a LinkedIn carousel generation system. But here is what most people don't realize. The architect method and the skill we just made is just one skill. Real unlock comes when you build multiple AI specialists and stack them into a team. And if you want to learn how to do that, I show you exactly how to build a 24/7 AI specialist team to automate your work in this video.